Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane. The postcode here for sat nav is B495QD and the contact number is 01789763432. Fantastic day today in Alcester, Warwickshire. Going to show you around this 2023 Swift Conqueror 480. Fabulous van, one owner from new, and it's just had its first service. So you've got the carbon effect high gloss gas locker lid, lots of chrome detailing going on. It does come with ATC, active trailer control, and the new Swifts then are this GRP shell. That includes the hail resistant roof and also the underside. And this one then, worth noting, it is two colour and very striking. It is too. You've got the, dare I say it, the niceties like the barbecue point, external mains, and access to the space under the front seats from outside. Full cut diamond wheels. Very, very smart they look too. Ignore the motor mover, that's been transferred to the owner's new van. With the Swift product, you have got the option for, separately, a bike rack. And that's great too, especially if you like your biking. This one features these really smart automotive style LED light clusters. Right, I'll give you a quick tour around the inside. This van is oh so super spacious. It's a huge two-berth. So this model features this high gloss overhead lockers, positive catches on your Swifts, and you've got the discreetly hidden LED lighting. Under helmet swivel, LED lighting with brightness wheel. You've got the cassette blinds incorporating the flight and night screens. They've done away with the curtains, so the whole of the interior feels very much uncluttered and again very spacious. Full width panoramic window, loosely tailored carpet mat set, Aldi heating system to keep you warm no matter the time of year. Comes with solar panel, kitchen extension, full cooker unit with the electric hot plate. Even features tall fridge freezer. I've just got to quickly show you the washroom. Super spacious washroom, bright hecky roof light there. And lastly, if I may say, and I will need Mark's assistance here. Mark, what is that? What is that?
No idea.
Do you put drinks, bottles, glasses, anything like that? No idea. Anyway, there you go. It's Swift Conqueror 480, absolutely pristine. We offer great part exchange, finance subject to status. And on that note, we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks very much.